Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something quite special. I know it's not really in my niche, but I also want to get a few views on the Meccha Chameleon landslide. So let's get to it. Today we are going to be talking about why the fuck is Meccha Chameleon, a tiny indie game, so popular, and why do so many people play it? Because it really makes no sense. There are Meccha Chameleon type games or indie games coming out every single day, but none of them got 7 million downloads, probably more by the time you're watching this, in like a week. This thing, which I think is even the reason why I got into Meccha Chameleon in the beginning, is its advertising. I don't know how about you, but I've heard a lot of people and a lot of my friends have seen the Meccha Chameleon pre-release on Instagram and TikTok, and although it's an indie game, it had really good marketing, which means a lot of people were excited for it to come out even before it did. Next thing can be the gameplay, because it's very simple and it's easy to learn, and it's also nostalgic. A lot of people used to play hide and seek, so it's another thing which people can be passionate about. So that's another reason why Meccha Chameleon is so popular nowadays. Another reason is the fact that it is an indie game and it costs like $6. All the modern and AAA games just cost like $80. Things like Hogwarts Legacy or Red Dead Redemption 2. But this game only costs $6, which is about the price of a kebab or a pizza. And you can get a lot of fun of it. Also, it is very easy to play in multiplayer, which only took me and my friends like 5 seconds to figure out how to connect to each other. Oh yeah, I know this sounds like a super sponsored by me, but no, it's not. I'm too small for sponsors. If you are a sponsor and you want to sponsor me, obviously contact me, but I know that won't happen. At least not yet. But that's unimportant. Another thing which is kinda important, and I think one of the most important things about it, is the fact that it is a trend. A lot of people, which are not even gamers to begin with, play Meccha Chameleon, because not only is it easy to play on almost any computer, and you need a fucking laser PC to run it, it is a trend, and it's all over social media. Just look up Google, look up YouTube, it's gonna be everywhere. That's also why I'm really making this video, because my YouTube videos have been getting low views, and I hope this will bring it up at least a tiny bit. So, it's a trend, and I really want to see how long it will hold up. But selling over 7 million copies is impressive nevertheless. Oh yeah, also, I know it's Sunday and not Saturday, and I really usually release my videos on Saturday, but I was too lazy, and I also live in Europe, so the heat waves are crazy, guys. I don't know how the fuck is that possible. We are not on Sahara Desert. Anyway, that's why it's coming out on Sunday, hopefully. Hopefully this Sunday, not next one. And also, I'm thinking about releasing all my videos just on Sundays, because I have more time on Saturdays than on Fridays, but that's unimportant to this video. Just also, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, all the other stuff. But we are not nearing the end. I just know it's better to say it here, because otherwise you just skip the whole ending. Let's get back to it. Right, another thing which is very important is the fact that Meccha Chameleon isn't an easy game. I mean, for an entry level, it is quite easy. But if you really want to master it and be able to hide in plain sight, it's very difficult to do so. So it's challenging, and challenging things are very interesting for people in any field. So our reason is that it's just challenging for the main population who plays the game. And probably the last reason is that it's quite simply just fun. The game is entertaining to play, not only because when you are hiding, you just can see the players, the hunters, like find you, and you get that little adrenaline rush, seeing as they come closer to you and waiting for the whistle and stuff. So it's just exciting, and that's pretty much the reason why Meccha Chameleon is one of the most popular games of 2026 so far. I mean, GTA 6 is coming soon, which is probably gonna beat it by a milestone, but who really cares? They're here to support the small indie guys. And that's gonna be it from me. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all the other stuff. And yeah, peace.